Here I will show you that how to open your MSG and EML files. This is the website where you can open your MSG and EML files. So sometimes our buyers send us that Outlook MSG files that we are unable to open by any software that we have in your computer. So for that way, this is the free website where you can open your MSG files. So they you don't need your Outlook mails or anything to open those files. So I was just choose file where was my uh, MSG files. These are the files that given from my clients. They provide me to record them on the QuickBooks as a bills. So let me show you once. Like this is all are the bills provided by my clients and to record them. So let me open any one of them. So there's all so many bills and utilities. I'm just checking if there are any that not show any private information. So I'm just opening this utility bills. So after uploaded the file, just click on the view, then this will just show up this full image or the what was the inside of that file. So you can see that show that email address that coming from this mail and to who and date, and the inside of the description if there any PDF or any attachment they provide, they will show here, so you can download that as well. This is the bill information, that how much amount they charge and how much is the due, and this is the inside picture. So let me show if there are any that have the attachment as well. Let me see this invoice of booking.com. Yes, so you can see that was have the attachment. So this kind of this was the email. MSG file was the email that they got from the uh, vendors, and they will forward you or as a file. So when you open, if there any attachment with that file, you can download that as well. So if I click here, you can see it's automatically downloaded. So if I open this is the bills of inside of that mail. So this way you can open your bills and everything. If that was MSG file, let me know in the comment if this was helpful, and I will show you some more tricks. Thank you. Have a good day.